To eat or not to eat. Task. Entomophagy is the scientific word used to describe when humans eat bugs. While the idea of eating bugs makes many Americans cringe, it is totally normal in other countries such as Thailand, Mexico, Ghana, and France. Write an essay where you give your opinion. Should bugs be added to the school cafeteria menu? Write a persuasive essay convincing the school board to either add bugs to the menu or keep the menu bug-free. Make your opinion clear and provide reasons and evidence to support your opinion. Part 1. You are going to do some research about eating bugs before you begin. Read the 3 sources and answer the questions about the sources. Briefly scan the sources and the questions that follow, then go back and read the sources carefully so you will have the information you will need to answer the questions and complete your research. In Part 2, you will give your opinion using the information you have read. Directions for beginning. You will now look at 2 sources. You can look at either of the sources as often as you like. Research questions. After looking at the sources, use the rest of the time in Part 1 to answer the questions about them. Your answers will be scored. Also, your answers will help you think about the information you have read and looked at, which should help you write.